Gary, in footballing terms, it's a nice Christmas present, a solid away win for you today.
Yeah, we were really pleased. We needed it, to be fair. Not that we've had any problems really in the league. I think the boys have performed well, but the last Welsh Cup game we were really disappointed. So it's nice to bounce back from that.
And in the run you've had, defensively, you've been very solid throughout. And when you've got a forward line like you have, there's always a chance you can win a game of football.
Yeah, listen, we've said that we would like to have scored a couple more goals, but defensively we've been sound. But today, probably everything came together, a good professional performance, we thought, because we always find Newtown a difficult place to come, so really pleased with the win.
I thought it was a pretty tight game, to be honest. We're really disappointed with the first goal. Second phase of a set play. So that got us off to a poor start. I thought we settled into the game quite well. And then we've given a really soft penalty away in the second half, and we've had some scrambles in their box, at the post, a couple of shouts for a penalty turned down. So in terms of performance, I can accept that today. We had a go, but we're down to bare bones at the moment. It's tough going, and the players give their all today.
Yeah, it's brilliant. We've had a bit of a sticky spell recently, but the boys turned up today. We've been training really hard. We know, we've not been playing our best recently. But we've always got a belief in the side that we can turn up and perform and turn over a good team. Newtown are a good side. They have been, forever really. But yeah, it was a really big win for us today.
In terms of the performance, I guess the most frustrating part will be when you think back of the goals you gave away today.
Yeah, absolutely. As I said, the first goal was really poor defending from a set play. Players are drilled, they don't leave the men until the ball is cleared, and we haven't done that. So that was a really soft start, and then the decision for the penalty, is what it is. It seems to be everything seems to be going against us at the moment, but we've been at the club for 10 years now, and we've been in far worse positions than this, and we'll be okay.
And now looking forward to next week. You got Flint away on New Year's Day. Will you have some of the senior players back for that?
Yeah, Shane and Price will be back, which will be a big boost for us. We've only got a small senior squad anyway, 14 senior players, outfield players, and 3 of those are under 19s last year. So we've got a young squad. We're asking a lot of them at the moment. But Shane being back and Price will give us a bit of a lift. And then we're inside the window then, so maybe we'll try and bring 1 or 2 in to help the squad out. You
said that it's been frustrating recently, but defensively you have the meanest defence in the top 6. Coupled with the forward line you've always got a great chance of winning a game of football.
Yeah, like I said, I'll back us up against anyone. I think we can turn anyone over on the day. We've been way more consistent this season, which has been a long time coming. I'm just really looking forward to hopefully kicking on, getting more wins under our belt and seeing what happens.
And moving on to New Year's Day now, you're saying kicking on and picking up wins. You move back home after a period of playing away at Ymateb, and you return home. It's going to be a special day for everybody.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming as well. It's been in plans for a while, and now that it's actually happened, it's really exciting for everyone involved with the club. It's nice to be back home. Carmarthen have been great, but it's nice to come back to where we belong, and hopefully we can turn that into a bit of a fortress again, like it was previously.
And a quick word on the gaffer. 2-1 well to take the team today and be on the sideline, but he was here watching.
2-1 well to travel really, but he doesn't want to be away. So I've talked to him a few times over the last 2 days, and he starts talking and he's coughing. He's ill, but he's travelled up, and I've had a few texts from him today with just little tweaks we needed to make. So for me, it was good having his eyes in the stand.